Friends, this is background for Christmas photo editing. First step, tap on tools. Now tap on crop. Now select the portrait option in the center. Okay, bring it like this. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, tap on FX. Now select the blur option here. You can see blur. Now tap on blur second option and keep it around 5, or you can keep it around 7. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo, select the decoration PNGs, add photo. These are the PNGs. First you have to arrange this lights PNG up here. Perfect. Now select this light PNG. Now tap on blend option, make it screen. Now arrange it here. Perfect. Now we have to arrange this socks here, decrease little opacity. This is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo, select the model image. Then this is model image for Christmas photo editing. Arrange it in the center like this here. This is perfect. You can arrange it little side. Now go to adjust. Okay, adjust, decrease little brightness. Now tap on contrast, increase little contrast. Now tap on saturation, increase little saturation. Now tap on temperature, increase little temperature. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, tap on shadow option, tap on position, keep this 100, keep this 100. Now tap on adjust, increase it to 100 and decrease it to around 20. Now bring little down. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo, select the Merry Christmas PNG. This is the Merry Christmas PNG. You can arrange it in this portion here. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to text and Happy New Year. Tap on done. Tap on tick. Now you can give whatever font you want. You can arrange it below it. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Friends, finally our special, simple, easy Merry Christmas photo editing tutorial is completed, and there is one more final PNG. Go to add photo. This is the final PNG. You can arrange it in the right side corner here. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. This is the before and this is the final output. Now tap on save. Friends, see you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.